Hey guys, this is Kangman. A couple of days ago, I did a video on how to fix your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con from drifting. And if you guys haven't checked it out, I'll leave a link to the video in the description below, so go check it out. Actually, the method worked for me. However, the drifting eventually came back and I had to do those procedures over and over again, which was very frustrating. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the way to fix this problem with an Electro contact cleaner. And this method, I'm confident that it will fix the drifting problem for good. Okay, so this is my Electro contact cleaner and it's called BW100, but it can have all kinds of names. And I'm not gonna actually spray it onto my Joy-Cons because it's already being done. So what you do is you lift up your analog stick and then you just spray on it inside all around. And this you'll get your Joy-Con a bit wet, but it doesn't matter because this is volatile, so it's gonna go away eventually. So by doing this method, it's gonna get your Joy-Con's drifting problem go away 100%. Okay, so that's how you use the Electro contact cleaner when your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con starts to drift. And I'm confident that this will solve the problem 100%. So please try it out. And also another thing that I found out was I play my Nintendo Switch a lot. And when you start playing for a long time, your analog stick starts to get a little bit fluffy. And after using this method, I mean, those fluffiness went away and the Joy-Cons felt brand new. So that was another big advantage in using this method. Anyway, that's it for today. Give it a thumbs up if it was a help. Leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks guys.